Welcome to my channel, Herbn.locs. It's your girl Caira, and I'm back in the spot.
So this part that you see with all the twisting is just because when I'm putting the rollers in my hair, sometimes my root doesn't stay tight, so I'm just trying to twist to make sure that my retwist stays, as tight as possible. By the way, the oils that I ended up using for this retwist was coconut oil. I know I've said before that I was done using it, but yeah, we're just gonna disregard that. Tea tree oil, jojoba oil, and some, yeah, actually I think that was it. Okay, bye. Also, something that's very important when you're doing curls, whether you go horizontal or vertical, it actually makes a huge difference. So just be mindful of how you're doing and try to make sure that they're going the same way. As you can see here, I was trying to make sure that I was doing vertical curls, so just make sure that you're being aware of that. This right here is actually my thickest lock, so it is a little bit of a challenge, getting these to conform to what you need it to do as far as rolling it up. But if I can do it with this lock, then somebody with real thick locks, you can do it too. So don't be discouraged if you have thick locks. You can definitely still curl your hair up.
Just like a chicken head now.
You serious?